some built-in to pad a list in Python. I have a list of size is lower than n and I want to pad it up to the size n with a value. Certainly, I can use something like the following, but I feel that there should be something I missed.
Or if you don't want to change your in place, you can always create a subclass of list and call the method whatever you please.
Nibbler's answer is nicer, but if you need a built-in, you could use itertools.azip_longest, zip_longest in py3k, which will return a list of tuples, I, list, I, filled into none. If you need to get rid of the counter, do something like
There is no built-in function for this, but you could compose the built-ins for your task, or anything tongue-poking smiley. Modified from itertools pat none and take recipes. Usage.
I think this approach is more visual and Pythonic.
If you want to watch my channel, be clear in the saying.